What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. If you're new to the channel, first off, consider subscribing. So in today's video, we got another honest product review. I'm gonna try out on our Jeep Grand Cherokee. So last time I did a product review, it did really well. A lot of you guys appreciated the scratch remover, and you guys bought the product, came back to the channel and commented how great it really was. So hopefully this will be a helpful review. We're gonna talk about the pricing and an honest review on how it turns out at the end of the video. So in today's video, I actually bought the whole kit. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I bought. So this right here is a Chemical Guys spray detailer, and this right here is a heavy duty Chemical Guys water spot remover. And I also bought the sponge. So this right here, this microfiber applicator, all of that put together was just under $30. Now let's see what exactly we're working with in today's video. So if we come close right here, and hopefully this lighting will do justice, you guys can see all of the water spots that are already deep into the paint of this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now you get a lot of these water spots from dried up waters that can be from rain, sprinklers, hoses, etc. So this is really deep in the paint, and it won't be removed just with a regular wash or a quick detailer. So let's try to see how well this Chemical Guys works right here, and then we'll remove and we'll do kind of like a comparison side to side on where we applied it. So first of all, this is very important, like the other video, try to do this in some type of shade or garage if you have it. So this is a really tight garage, and the lighting isn't great here, and I hope that that camera is doing justice. So what we're gonna do, this is a clean car. It's a cool morning, Sunday morning. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take this spray bottle right here. Let me grab my microfiber towel, 1 second. We're gonna take that spray bottle, we're gonna take a clean microfiber towel, and we're gonna apply some of the quick detailer once again. Even though it's a clean Jeep, we're gonna apply it once again on the Jeep right here, and we're gonna clean it to make sure that what we're working with is fully clean. You don't want to apply anything on a dirty surface on a dirty vehicle. So here we go, that's clean. And now we're gonna get the applicator pad, and I want to show you guys. I mean, this is honestly my first time using this product, but I've heard so much good about this right here that I decided that let's try it out and see how this works. So here's the applicator pad, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake it off first. We're gonna put 2 lines. If you guys can see, this is like a really thick gel. So 2 lines right here, and then we're gonna basically, I think I did too much, but I'll just go down below. So you're trying to basically spread it out. I think I did way too much, but basically you're trying to spread it out all over. So this is good for wheels, glass, like metal finishes, paint. And just go down. All right, so once you have it all spread out, basically we're gonna go left, right, and just continue on with the same process. Try to make sure actually you cover everything and go around multiple amount of times, and just put a little bit of force, but not too much. And as you guys can see, when it's drying up, and it's good that we're doing this in garage, not direct sunlight, because if it dries up, it's not going to be really good. So then we did it that way. Now let's go up and down. And this is like, you guys are not here, but it's really thick. And I also applied way too much, I believe. But we'll see what the final result looks like. 30 bucks, guys. 30 bucks.
It already looks good.
I think so. This was really bad shape. Sprinklers, baby sprinklers. My wife, this was her vehicle prior to getting the new Wrangler. If you guys missed that video, check it out. So she goes to her mom's house and parks it outside in the community, and they always have sprinklers running a few times a day. So we applied it. Now we need to remove it. So again, what we're gonna do is take a clean microfiber towel, that quick detailer, spray it here, maybe spray there a little bit, And now we're gonna try to remove this. Let's rotate.
Oh wow, okay.
Looks good, right?
Yeah.
Let's rotate one more time. Always rotate, always try to work with clean microfiber towels. You guys already know, man, microfiber towels, something I love.
That look good.
It looks great. So now what we're gonna do for you guys, I'm gonna remove the tape, but I'm also going to later on do a little montage of taking the vehicle outside and getting direct sunlight before I bring it back in and finish it. Oh, this looks amazing.
Yeah, it's so shiny.
Now let's remove the tape and do a side by side. I'll get out of the camera's way. Let's do a little side by side.
Oh wow, yeah.
So try to get it like this. Let me get out of the way. Go a little bit farther out, left to right, see if we can get a good angle for people. So guys, I'm gonna do a montage at the end of the video, but just looking at it right here, how bad it really was.
Yeah,
right now you can tell a huge difference.
You can see the difference right here. This isn't the side that isn't done. And
yeah.
Wow, and this is the side that's done.
I'll put in some pictures or a montage at the end of the clip. But again, I believe it was 29 bucks. I bought it off of Amazon, the whole kit. You don't need to buy the kit, you could just buy the quick detailer or use like a McGuire's quick detailer. But as you can see, this is what we're working with right here. I'll link all of these products in the description below. That's that, guys. Just wanted to do a quick video on the chemical guys, and honestly, great product for under $30. You could do a lot of things to prevent this by getting maybe ceramic coating and just prepare your vehicle for the water, rain, etc. But we neglected it. But you know what? It worked out pretty well.
Yeah,
so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing like always. Hopefully this helps you guys out. And like always, guys, give this video a thumbs up.
Yeah, this side is totally
great, right?
Yeah, and this side is still like a lot of water spots. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, 100 times better than what it was. Like I said, guys, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.